Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, let me talk. This was a spontaneous video that I decided to do. I just got kind of inspired to do a sexy makeup look. And I'm gonna show you guys how I came about having this look, makeup on my face. Anyways, I'm just gonna get to it and show you guys the steps to get this hot, like, Instagram model makeup. For starters, I'm using Pond's Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer as a primer. Sometimes, using a nice hydrating moisturizer as a primer totally does the job. So I'm just rubbing that into all of my face. And this is a lip scrub I've actually created myself and will be selling on Etsy soon. It's Brown Sugar Almond, and I'm using Infallible Matte Lock Primer from L'Oreal as well. I'm sorry I forgot that I used that on top of the moisturizer, but hey, the more prime the better, right? So this is my color correcting kit from Wet n Wild. I'm doing my under eye area with that beautiful purple shade, which is going to get covered up. And then I'm doing areas where I tend to get redness and areas where I have acne, because I had really bad acne this day and I don't know why. I'm doing those areas with the pretty mint green. And then I'm going to go over those areas with using my blender that I am wetting with some setting spray from e.l.f. And I'm going to just kind of blend those out a little bit. And then I'm going to go over them with my CoverGirl Clean and Sensitive, I forget what it's called, and I suck, but I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm going over my face with that beautiful CoverGirl foundation. Then I'm taking my LA Colors brow kit and a Wet n Wild small dense brush, and I'm going to fill in the brows and just slay them. By the way, my hair looks really bad because at this time I was in the middle of lightening it, and we all know how that can be. So this is my LA Colors highlighting stick. I'm concealing around my brows. And then I'm taking my e.l.f. Foundation. And I forget exactly which one it is, but I'm going over my face with that. So this was a very full coverage look. I filmed this about a month ago, actually over a month ago, and now looking back at the footage, I'm like, yes, this is very full coverage. So I'm taking this Broadway Colors eyeshadow palette and I'm putting a pretty like maroon in the crease. So this was supposed to be like a spring look, but I ended up using a lot of fall colors, but you know what, it worked and it looked beautiful. So I'm kind of making the crease a little more enforced right now with a dark maroon color, getting in there and blending. So you could call this kind of like a spring evening look, spring evening glam. So then I'm taking a shimmery, like kind of mauve color for the lid. So yeah, the key really with these shadows is just blending. And this palette I got at Dollar General. It was like $4, maybe not even. So you guys know I'm all about beauty on the budget. And there is a nice closer look at the palette. So I'm taking this kind of rose goldish shimmery color and putting it in the middle of my lid for a slight halo effect. And I'm actually gonna go make that halo effect bolder in a minute, but first I am doing my brow bone with this pale matte creamy color, kind of bone color, I guess. So this is the L'Oreal Liquid Illuminator, and I went along my brow line with that because I like for a really sharp, glowy like brow line. And then I'm also using that to create a more emphasized halo effect. And yeah, you gotta blend that, girl. Touching up the crease and everything like that. I just want my eye look to look as flawless as possible, and it can be hard, but you'll get there. So this is the LA Colors Powder Contour Palette. I use this all the time, $8 at the drugstore, and I'm using that to like set my liquid and cream face products, and it does work pretty good. So I love a really sharp cheekbone, and that's what I went for in this look. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend this out. I'm also getting better at my nose contour, if you guys noticed. So yes, blend, blend, blend. Make that cheekbone look like it can cut a steak, and just keep on blending. Now taking my Maybelline Master Fix Face Studio Loose Setting Powder, I'm going to go ahead and start baking my face. So I know I already set everything with the LA Colors Powder Contour Palette, but I told you I'm going all out for this look. This is my Wet n Wild Liquid Liner, and I love the nice pointy stiff applicator this has. And doing a pretty little wing, and then I'm smudging my under eye area as well with the black liner. So I have a very bold eye going on. Now taking Revlon and CoverGirl mascara, I am doing a couple layers of mascara to get those lashes all the way, you know, lit, I don't know. So I'm wiping away that bake, and the skin is looking good. I'm taking this mauve blush from Kohl's, and I'm going lightly in on my cheeks there. And then taking my Too Faced La Belle Carousel little kit, I'm doing more bronzing with the bronze shade there. I believe it's called Sun Bunny. It's very rich. And yeah, look at that. Super bold. So taking that same L'Oreal illuminator, liquid illuminator, I am doing my highlight, and this one you have to blend out kind of quickly because this one does actually dry. Doing it on my upper lip line, just giving myself a little extra glow in these certain areas. So here are my lashes. I think those were Ardell, but I'm not 100% sure. However, this lippy is freaking amazing. This is my Smashbox Matte Liquid Lipstick, and let's see if I can find the shade that is. I don't think I have it on hand. Of course I don't, but you guys, it is so awesome. Just look it up online. The Smashbox Matte Liquid Lipstick. And then I'm putting a little bit of setting powder on that to intensify the matte. Sorry about that, but yes, my lips are my favorite part of this entire look because just look at them. It's like Kylie Jenner perfection right there. So I'm embarrassed that I just said that, but here is my completed look, you guys. Total Instagram baddie. Anyways, thank you for watching, and see you next time.